In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a post on your WordPress site. When you're in the dashboard of WordPress, we have a posts section here. Click on that, and that's going to show you a list of all the posts on your website. When you first install WordPress, this Hello World post is auto-installed. People often delete that right away. To do that, just hover over any post, click on Trash. This works the same way for any posts, not just the ones that are auto-installed. So if I click on Trash, it's now gone from this list, but we have a trash area here. Click on that and we see all the posts that were recently deleted. From here, we can restore them or delete them permanently. I'm going to choose to delete this one permanently because it's totally unnecessary, and now that is permanently gone, cannot be recovered. You can also do this from inside of a post. Click to edit a post. If we scroll down on the right hand side, we can click on the Move to Trash button, and then this post will go into the trash. And it's going to be findable in the same place, the trash, where you can then delete it permanently if you want to. You can also delete these in bulk. If we had multiple posts here, click on this check mark. Under bulk actions, choose Move to Trash, and then click Apply. And then in the trash can, you do the same thing. Check this box. It checks all the ones that are in there, or you can check them individually to check specifically the ones you want to delete permanently. Choose Delete Permanently, Apply, and then they're gone forever. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is going to teach you how to speed up your website, which is an SEO ranking factor and super important to do. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.